We got the last appliance, if you want to call it that, in the old camper that we are going to see if we can revive. That is the vent above the oven. Classic. It's a little rusted and it's a Ventline. Anyway, let's turn it on. Oh, it's the fan. And it works. Check that out. Cool, let's see if the switch works. It's blowing the right direction. Look at that. And we got the old light bulb here. Let's put that in. Alright, let's try this. No? Well, let's try the switch. Huh. I wonder how that still works. I wonder if oh, it's all tied together. There we go, I got it to work. So here's the underside of the vent fan and light. And underneath this plastic is a 12 volt bulb. I don't know what, I wasn't even thinking. Just because it looks like a regular 110 bulb, but it's 12 volt. But it's this, you know, regular socket that's for like a regular household bulb. So that's like not normal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, just an RV porch light they call this, and a regular 12 volt fixture, and I'm gonna mount this in here so that I can utilize regular bulbs there, and then I'm gonna use LED bulb to replace it like I have throughout the whole camper to keep all the light fixtures consistent throughout the camper. I don't have to have one of these stupid bulbs I don't even know where to get, you know. So let's get this all retrofitted. As I was working on this, I remembered that I had the filter for it, and it says it's made by Easy Clean, Madison, Wisconsin. To clean filter, flush monthly in warm detergent. So we are going to flush in warm detergent. I doubt it was done last month though. It's probably overdue. Simple Green and some dish soap. I'll let this plastic stuff soak. Oh, went in this way. Okay, light bulb's out, and I got this piece of, it's like the inside of a filing cabinet. Oh man. So there it is in there with the flanges going up. I'll put screws in there, and this is going to get mounted onto a plate. Let the components soak for an hour. And look at this. Just rubs right off. That's kitchen grease. That stuff's usually no joke. We got the parts drying. And 4 mouse traps. Killing them with UV. Sherman, I know you smell the mice. Come on, let's go get the rest of it. Come on. Here's the rest of the situations. Let's assemble it. Gotta brush off the leaf litter from the nice paint booth we got out there. Here's a little trick for you. When you don't have the right size grommet, you can use small loom, split loom, to wrap around there. There you go. So I totally changed up the wiring to how I wanted it. I taped off the wire nuts, marked everything, zip tied it. It's much cleaner. And then let's put the cover back on. Now you are looking at the back of the vent fan where it exhausts out towards you. And there was supposed to be a damper flap that goes in here. So this piece of sheet metal was in here, but it's too small, and it just, I don't know how this thing wasn't put together the way it was supposed to be. So I'm gonna try and make something and rig it up and make it work. So now I got y'all flipped upside down here, and this is where this damper is supposed to be. It's supposed to lay on these little grooves here and then pivot right there, but as you can see, it's a little bit short, so I'm gonna try and fix it. So here's the final design for the flap. I just extended all of the sides with Gorilla Tape and made a hinge out of Gorilla Tape. I like that. There you go. So there it is. And then there's clearance everywhere. I extended these little tabs. See how long it lasts. And then there's the little lock for when you're driving. It doesn't allow it to. Let's see if it works. So I got it rigged up here to show the damper in action. And it falls on the other side of the lock. Making progress.
What do you think, Shermster? Okay.
Vent hood is in. I had some bleeding going on here with the paint when I taped that off, but you know, it's not perfect, but way nicer than it was.